schemas, what are they and why do we need to know them? Why do they even matter? In this video, we will find the answer to all these questions. So let's dive straight into it. But before starting, I want you to think about what comes to your mind when you think about the concept of winter. Think of it for a little moment and imagine what other associations come to your mind when you think of it. Like cozy dresses, maybe hot drinks, or maybe blankets. How is it that thinking about a single concept made you remember so many different things? Yep, you are right. The answer is schemas. According to Piaget, हम सब even infants भी word को understand करने की कोशिश करते हैं. And in order to build that understanding, we need to develop some models, some mental models, or in other words, you can say schemas. Piaget ने schemas को knowledge के साथ equate किया. उसके मुताबिक जितना भी knowledge आज आपके पास, मेरे पास है, वो सारा का सारा knowledge इन schemas की वजह से हम build कर पाए, ठीक है? So schemas are building blocks of our knowledge. So to give you a proper definition, a schema is a mental framework or a concept that help us to organize and interpret information. दूसरे अल्फाज में आप ये कह सकते हैं कि schema is a bundle of knowledge और ये इस तरह से organize किया हुआ होता है कि हम different word scenarios को efficiently respond कर सकें. Okay? Schemas are just like categories of knowledge that help us make assumptions and judgments about different things or people or relationship or whatever. Okay? Anything that we encounter. Piaget के मुताबिक it's not necessary that we limit schemas to the knowledge or to the categories of knowledge. Schemas also include the processes of acquiring that knowledge. Okay? Piaget said that cognitive development is basically development of these schemas. So अगर एक बच्चा है वो जैसे जैसे बड़ा होता है उसके cognitive development हो रही है तो वो development उसकी basically किस वजह से हो रही है? Due to development of these schemas. Schemas might be about different types, like there might be schemas about roles. As we all know that there are certain specific schemas about females and then there are certain gender role expectations from males as well. And then there come different groups. We can develop schemas about a particular group as well. और इसको हम आम रूटीन में stereotype का नाम देते हैं. उसके बाद schemas individuals के बारे में हो सकते हैं, different relationships के बारे में हो सकते हैं, like husband wife का relationship, siblings का relationship. इन सब से related हमने particular schemas बनाए हुए होते हैं. Schemas can be about self as well, like हमारे अपने past से related, हमारे अपने present या future में जो हम बनना चाहते हैं उससे related भी हमने certain knowledge को accumulate किया हुआ होता है और उसको हम schema का नाम देते हैं. और इसी तरह schemas different situations से related भी हो सकते हैं. So now that you know that what are schemas, you might be wondering about okay, so what do they do for us? जैसे कि मैंने पहले डिस्कस किया कि schemas हमें वर्ड को इंटरप्रेट करने में हेल्प कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ schemas हमें लर्निंग में भी मदद दे रहे होते हैं. और वो किस तरह से? फॉर एग्जाम्पल schemas might influence what we pay attention to. Like लोग उन चीज़ों पे ज़्यादा अटेंशन पे करते हैं जो कि उनके existing schemas के साथ मैच कर रही होती है. Schemas also impact how quickly people learn. Similarly, schemas help simplify the world as well. Schemas also allow us to think quickly, like a person might be under a condition where the things are rapidly changing and the new information is coming in quickly. In that particular scenario, the person has to interpret that information quickly, right? So because of the existing schemas, people are able to assimilate this new information quickly and automatically, and thereby it will be easier for them to make sense of the world. Similarly, schemas can also change how we interpret incoming information. अगर कोई चीज हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग स्कीमास के साथ मैच नहीं कर रही है या वो फिट नहीं कर रही है एग्जिस्टिंग स्कीमास के साथ, तो लोग सम टाइम इनकमिंग इंफॉर्मेशन को डिस्टॉर्ट कर देते हैं सो दैट दे कैन फिट इन दैट इनकमिंग इंफॉर्मेशन टू देयर एग्जिस्टिंग स्कीमास. ओके, So as you guys can see, this particular point represent the challenge of schemas as well. I mean in the sense कि अगर हम new incoming information को distort कर रहे हैं अपने existing schemas के अंदर fit in करने के लिए, तो ये चीज contribute कर सकती है prejudice और stereotypes की तरफ भी. I mean you can see that schemas don't always have silver lining to them. Sometimes they might also add to some societal evils as well, like prejudice or like stereotypes. So yeah, sometimes we also need to modify or change our existing schemas. But how can we do that? I mean, is it really possible? Well, this is the question for our next video. In this video, we learned what schemas are, their types, and some pros and cons associated with them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in another interesting video. Until then, take care.